everyone. Today I am going to take the lecture of discrete mathematics chapter number 1, and the topic is the permutation and the combination. So permutation, that means the arrangement, and the combination, that means the selection of an object. So here we are given in an example. Suppose repetition are not permittable. That means repetition are not permittable. So how many 4-digit numbers can be formed from 6 digits? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay, so here we are given in the one condition, we are given in the 6 digit 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and the numbers are not repeated. So first we find out, first question is what? First question is what? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed from 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Second question is how many of such numbers are less than 4000. Third question is how many in 1. 1, that means we use the 4-digit, okay, and all this number of the digit are equal, the number is the even form. And next one is how many in 1, that means this contain both 3 and 5, that means we use 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, we have the 6 digit, so we try here the 4-digit number and 3 and 5 also included according to 4-digit number. Okay, so let's start our solution. So solution is what? First one is we find here how many 4-digit numbers can be formed from 6-digit number. That means what? Here this is a permutation. So we write here 6p4. Okay. So here we find out the factorial 6 and factorial 6 minus 4. That means factorial 2. So open this term, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 divided by factorial 2. Got it? So here 6 5 are 30, 30 into 4 120, 120 into 3 is equal to 360. That means how many 4-digit numbers? So number is what? Number is 360 numbers we find out from the 6-digit number. Okay, this is the first answer. Next question is how many of such numbers are less than 4000? Okay, and we have the 4-digit number. So, according to our second question, we have 6 digit and consider the 4 digit. And the condition is what? Condition is the number is less than 4000. That means if we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 places, this is unit, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, and to find out the less than 4000, less than 4000 numbers, that means if we use 1, 2 and 3 in the thousand place, if we put 1 or 2 or 3 in the thousand place, then we find out the less than 4000, because of here if we write the 5 or 7 or 8, so this number is greater than 4000. Okay, so according to this place we use 1 or 2 or 3, 1 or 2 or 3. That means what? In this place, our base is what? 1 or 2 or 3. That means we write here the 3 ways. Okay. Next one is according to 1, 2, 3. We put here only one value. One number is right here. So total digit is 6. So one digit we write here in the thousand place. So remaining is what? Remaining is 5 digits. So according to this place, we write here 5. So two numbers are fixed here, so remaining is what? Remaining is 4. So according to this place we write here 4, according to this place we write here 3. Okay, so here the total is what? 5 3 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60 into 3, that means 180. This is your second answer. Third one is what? Third one is how many in 1 are even number. Okay, so even number, that means what? In the unit place, this place we write here the even number, then the given number is in the even form, we can say that. Okay, so third one is what? So first you choose here, you find out the even number. So we have two even number, 2 and 8. Okay, so we find the four digit number. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here if we, the even number is what? Even number is 2 and 8. Got it? That means according to unit place, we write here either 2 or 8. After that, you find out the even number. So here we write the 2 or 8. That means two ways. So we write here the 2. Okay, and the remaining places is what? One value, one digit we write here. So out of 6 digits, remaining is 5 digits. So we write here first place, the way is 5, second place, way is 4, and the third place is 3. Okay, so 5 4s are 20 into 3, 60 into 2, 120. So third answer is what? Third answer is 120. Okay, fourth question is what? Fourth question is how many in one contain both 3 and 5? That means what? One, that means what? Our first question is what? We find out the 4-digit number. Always we find out the 4-digit number. So according to our fourth question, first we write here the unit place, tens place, hundred place and the thousand place. Okay, and the question is what? Question is that how many in one contain both 3 and 5? So here the one that is small, what we write here the 4-digit number. Okay, and 3 and 5 also always write here 3 and 5 digit is also always included in the 4-digit number. Okay, so if we put here 3, okay, so according to 3 we have the 4 places. Okay, and according to 5, if we put here, so if we write here the 3, so according to 3 we have the 4 places. Okay, that means we write here according to 3 we have 4 places, and according to 5 we have 3 places. Okay, so here 4 3s are 12, that means 12 places or 12 ways we have already according to this question, 12 places. Okay, so two digits are fixed here, that means two places are here already used. Okay, 3 and 5. So remaining number is what? Remaining number digit is 4. So we write here 4 first, and according to 4 we put here. So next remaining is what? 3. So here 12 into 12, that means 144 is your answer. Don't be confused here. According to your fourth question, we are given in 3 and 5 digit. Always write in the 4-digit number. Okay. So 3, we write here in the 4 places. According to 3, we have 4 places. If we put 3 in any place, so remaining places is 3. So according to 5, have the 3 places. So 4 into 3, that means 12. Okay. So according to 4-digit number, 2 places are fixed here, 3 and the 5. So remaining 2 places here, and the total number of digits is remaining is 4. So 4 into 3, that means 144. So this example is very you can say that the tricky and very interesting, because of in every question we see here the 1 1. That means what? Always we find the digit in the 4-digit number. Okay, so this is the example of the permutation and the combination. Next example is how many auto license plates can be made if each identified by 2 letters followed by 4 digits. That means what? Here we are find out the how many auto license plates. So the number plate is what? First we write the 2 alphabets. Okay, and after that we write the 4 digits. This is the condition we are given in the identified by 2 letters followed by 4 digits. Okay, so what is the solution? So solution is the first two positions in the sequence. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places. Okay, so first two positions in the sequence can be occupied in the alphabet, and here we are not given in any condition the alphabet are repeated or not. Okay, that means we have total 26 alphabet. So first position, the way is total 26, A to Z. Okay, and first position is occupied by any one alphabet. Okay, so second position is also an alphabet, and here we are not given the repetitions are permitted or not permitted. That means we use here the always consider in the repeated form. So first position is occupied by any one alphabet. So second position is also we have the 26 alphabet. So we write here 26. That means what? The first two position in the sequence can be occupied in 26 into 26 is equal to 26 square base. This is the first two positions according to auto plate. Okay, license plate. Next is four positions are here. Four places are here. So the next four position can be occupied in the digits. Okay, four position can be occupied by the digits. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 10 digits are here. And next four position can be occupied in. So first position we write here anyone 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second position is also 10. Third position is also 10. And fourth position is also 10. Why we write here 10 into 10 into 10 into 10? Because of here we are not given any condition not repeated. Okay, so in the first place we write here 0 to 9, any digit we write here. In the second place again we write here 0 to 9. In the third place again we write here 0 to 9, and in the fourth place again we write the 0 to 9. Okay, so 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 raised to the power 4. So our answer is what? Our answer is hence the number of auto license plates that can be made is what? 26 square into 10 raised to the power 4. This is our final answer. Okay. In case we are given in according to our question, the alphabets are not repeated and the digits are not repeated. So what will we change here? So first place we write here A to Z 26 alphabet. Okay, so one alphabet fixed here. So remaining alphabet is what? Remaining alphabet is 25. So we write here 25. First two places. Okay. Next one we write the four digit, four places. So according to this place, no doubt we have 0 to 9. That means the 10 digits are here. But one digit is already we write here. So remaining digit is what? Remaining is 9. So in the next place we write here 9. So two digits are fixed here. So total 10. We remaining digit is what? 8. And again we write here 8. So remaining digit is what? 7. Okay, so in case if we are given in the repetition is not permittable, so our answer is what? Our answer is here 26 into 25 because of one alphabet is fixed here. And according to this digits 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So if repetition is not allowed, so here we write 10 into 9 into 8, 8 into 7. So our answer is 26 into 25 into 10 into 9 into 8 and into 7. Okay, so this is the example of the different types of the example auto license plate. And this is the question is here not given the repetition are allowed or not. So always you consider the repetitions are allowed. Okay. But if we are given if the repetition is not permittable, then we use here this type of the process. Okay. So this is the example of the permutation. So I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.